Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss the latest and greatest in technology and artificial intelligence. Today's topic is how to use ChatGPT, one of the most advanced language models developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as generating text, answering questions, and even translating languages. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Choose a platform. There are several platforms where you can access ChatGPT, including Hugging Face, OpenAI's official API, and even Google Colab. Choose the platform that suits your needs and follow the instructions to set up an account. Step 2. Create a project. Once you've signed up, create a new project and select ChatGPT as the model you want to use. You can choose from several different versions of the model, depending on your needs and the complexity of the task you want to perform. Step 3. Input your data. Now it's time to input your data into ChatGPT. This can be done through a text box or by uploading a file. ChatGPT will then process the data and generate output based on the input. Step 4. Interpret the output. After processing the data, ChatGPT will generate output in the form of text. This output can be used for a variety of tasks, such as generating chatbot responses, summarizing articles, or even writing entire articles from scratch. Step 5. Refine and iterate. Once you have your initial output, you can refine it and iterate on it until you're happy with the results. This might involve tweaking the input data, adjusting the parameters of the model, or simply rephrasing the output to make it more accurate or coherent. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to use ChatGPT to generate text and perform a variety of natural language processing tasks. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you can use ChatGPT to take your writing and language processing skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.